Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I am a huge Happy Planner fan, so I was excited when they came out with this Happy Planner Foodie Recipe Organizer. It is such a fun and convenient way to compile and organize my favorite recipes. And it's so nice to have my recipes written down and at my fingertips when I need them, especially if I'm using them all the time. So I don't have to look them up online each time and hope I can find that same recipe. There are dividers for the different food categories, and this disc ring system makes it so easy to move the recipes to different parts of the book. And I have different rings that coordinate with this planner. So I can switch them out if I want to use different colored rings and just change things up. I love this Happy Planner Foodie Recipe Organizer, not only to write down new recipes, but also to preserve older recipes. And my mom even used this, so I'm happy that I have written recipes in her handwriting. So when I use them, it makes me think of her. And that's my point of view.